You can view your order status and history by navigating to the My Orders section of the portal. You may do this via the drop-down Connect Portal menu in the upper right corner of the website. You will see your name here when you are logged in. Click on your name, then on My Orders in the menu. You can also select My Orders from the left side menu when you're in any other portal menu function. The initial My Orders page view is of your order history. Select the account number you wish to view order history for from the drop-down menu on the top right of the screen if you have access to multiple accounts. You may specify the date range to view your orders via the calendar icon located on the left side of the screen. Orders can be sorted by date, ASC order number, purchase order number, or status. You can search for an order by purchase order number or ASC order number. Once you've entered the number you're looking for in the appropriate box, press the Enter key or simply click out of the box to conduct the search. View orders by their status: processing, partially shipped, shipped, or canceled, through the drop-down menu selection or via the tabs at the top of the order history page. To download your order history, click the Export List as CSV link at the top of the page. To view an order in detail, click on its ASC order number hyperlinked in blue text. The Order Details page displays the percentage of order completion, the order date, ASC order and purchase order numbers, the ship-to location, the total cost, and each line item in the order. Each row provides the total quantity ordered and the quantity that has been shipped for each item number in the order. You can sort the order details by line item number, or status. Here you can also access shipment tracking numbers as well as packing slip PDFs and the invoice PDF files, both of which you can view and download by clicking on the blue hyperlink numbers. You can search for a specific item number in an order by using the item number field located at the top of the table. To download the order details, click Export CSV. You can also click the link Submit a Return Request to begin the process of making a return or RMA claim on the Connect portal. To return to your order history page, click on the Back to Order History button located at the top of the Order Details page.